What's up guys, Sean here. So one of you guys asked me to make a video about the best audio settings in OBS. So today I'll show you guys some of the best audio settings in OBS. Because you seriously don't want to sound like that one guy with the bad mic in Zoom meetings in your recordings. So first we'll get started. Okay, so we'll first start by clicking the settings like we did yesterday. So there's not much to do in general, but I'll remind you guys, if you haven't changed your theme to light theme, I request you to do it now. Change it to dark. And I think that's all in general. So you can just keep the stream and output for now, and then we'll go directly to audio. So the first thing you see is sample rate. So that's how much times your audio will get sampled. So it's kept to 44.1 kilohertz. That means your audio will get sampled 44,100 times. And I keep it at that much. You can change it if you like. The channels, I'll keep it at stereo. And the devices, when you come more down, you'll see the devices. So in the desktop audio, I've kept it at default. You can disable it if you don't want. And I have disabled the desktop audio too. So in the one of the features of OBS is it supports up to 4 mics. So if you use 4 audio capturing devices, 4 mics maybe, you can select which one. I only use one mic, so I kept it at 1. And the mic I use now is the 5-fan microphone, which I unboxed. You can watch it out. And when you come more down, you'll see the meters. So you'll see I'll just get this window more up. Yeah. So you'll see something called the decay rate. So it's kept to fast. And if you see this audio mixer here, you see this thing that's moving. And if you keep it at fast, you can see real time. And if you keep it at slow, and then you click apply, it'll be much slower. And then if you keep it at medium, it'll be, and click apply, it'll be more faster, but then it'll be slower than fast. So I keep it at fast. I'll click just I'll just click apply. Okay. And then in the peak meter type, you can keep it at sample peak. And the in the advanced section monitoring device, I have kept it at default. You can if you have any other device, an external device or something for monitoring, you can click that. And so after that, you can see that I have ticked disable Windows audio ducking. So this is a problem in there's a problem in Windows where when you stream, you record properly for a while, you stream properly for a while, then suddenly your audio drops down. Maybe it becomes 50%, then it comes to 0. So there's some problem with the Windows operating system. So I have kept it to tick so to ensure proper recording and streaming. So that's all about audio. Next we'll go to the output. So first things first, you have to, in the output mode, you have to keep it to advanced. If you keep it at simple, it looks something like this. So keep it always at advanced. So you'll see all those options. So in advanced, all we have to do is you have to go to the recording. Then we'll select our audio track here. And then next we'll go to the audio. So you see something called the audio bitrate. So if the more higher you keep it, the more quality it will have. But then that will also result in a higher file size. And however, like even if you increase to the highest bitrate, that doesn't mean you'll get the very best recording. So I'll just keep it at 224. And finally guys, you just have to click this apply, and that will save all the settings and you can just close up. And that's all for today's video guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. This is Sean signing off.